Hello everyone. So today I have my September Splendies. Always comes wrapped up cute like this. The first pair is this. Very cute. And that. And this is from Splendies, and the MSRP is $12. Here is the next pair. It's just kind of weird. So that. Sorry if the camera is moving a bit. Tigger decided to come and say hi, and that was. This one doesn't have a tag, so I don't know where this one is from. And it's just from Splendies also. I'm assuming the MSRP is $12 also. That's usually what they are. And then here is the next pair. Really cute. And this is also from Splendies, and the MSRP is $12. So got this pair. This pair. And this pair. So I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.